Tough A15 is one of the first laptops to have launched in India with the AMD Ryzen 4000 series. And if you are looking for a laptop in the 60 to 70,000 price segment, this deserves a place in your cart. Hear me out. The A15 comes with a 144Hz 1080p panel, and my version comes with the Ryzen 5 4600H, which is a 6-core CPU, along with 8GB of RAM and the GTX 1650 Ti. My variant comes with a 48Wh battery, and I have seen some variants of the A15 with the 90Wh battery listed on Amazon, but they are generally not in stock. So if you find them online and they are in stock, you should definitely go for the bigger battery version of this laptop. My variant also comes with 1TB hard drive and 256GB SSD. Now there are a bunch of variants of this laptop available on Amazon India, and I'll be listing 3 of them here, all of which are below the 80,000 rupees price point. And if you have a budget around any of these price points, I think you should go for this laptop. But before you buy the A15, there are certain things that you should keep in mind. The screen of this laptop isn't exactly color accurate. It has 62.5% sRGB and 47% Adobe RGB, which makes it feel a little washed out when it comes to color accurate work. So if you are into photo or video editing, I think you should go for a laptop with a better display. The 144Hz panel in this laptop is great, but the screen has a high response time of 20 milliseconds, which makes certain people skeptical about ghosting issues. So you should keep that in mind while buying this laptop. Also, the side vents in this laptop are blocked for some reason, and that can cause the temperatures to go up in certain heavy titles. The heat management of this laptop could have been a lot better, and that is a thing you should consider before buying this laptop. In my case, I played a couple of games on this laptop like GTA 5, and the temperatures kept around 90 degrees, which is acceptable during Indian summers. I'll be doing a separate gaming review for this laptop where I'll monitor the temperature of the CPU and the GPU during gameplay, so stay tuned for that. The performance of the A15 is great. The 144Hz panel makes everyday tasks feel smoother and faster. The main selling point of this laptop has to be the 6-core AMD Ryzen 4600H, which beats the i7-9750H in both Cinebench R20 and multi-core tests, being around 15 to 20% faster than Intel's i7. So that is great for the users because a similar laptop with an i7 costs around 10 to 15,000 more right now in India. The laptop comes with 8GB of RAM, which I would suggest you upgrade over time to at least to 16GB, which would make it future proof. And as I mentioned, I'll be doing a separate gaming review of this laptop, but just as an overview, here are some of the games I tested and their average FPS. The laptop puts out respectable frame rates, and I haven't come across any thermal throttling during gameplay. This year Asus didn't go all in with the gamer look as seen in the past variants of the TUF series. There are 2 colors available in this laptop, and apart from the color, they have some differences in the way they look as well. While the Bonfire Black gives more of a gaming feel, the Fortress Grey variants look cleaner and stealthier. It depends on personal preference which one you go for, but here I prefer the Fortress Grey more because of the clean back. There is a little bit of flex in the screen and keyboard area, but not to the extent that it would bother the user. And that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you've made it this far, thank you so much. It really means a lot. And as Dave Toody says, thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I will see you in the next one.